In today's session, we will simulate or test run a balance carry forward process in SAP S for Hana. And for that purpose, uh, we'll select the relevant app here, periodic activities for journal ledger. Okay, this is the grouping here, and carry forward balances is the corresponding app or required app here. And to which fiscal year we want to shift, or I mean, this is the normal activity when you close the fiscal year. So you need to select the next year to which you need to carry forward and the company code, and also to select a ledger. In our case is 2L, and we'll press the go button here. So we can go to the preview, and here you can see the item. Preview item is available. So just checking various values here. So 2020 was already done, and we can again select the ledger here, 2L. Okay, so that was in done state, and 2021 is in a preview state. So there is a one line item here. We'll select it, and then run changes. We'll press the button, and now it is executing. So it is now done. We'll just press it, and we can see the whatever have been carried forward to the various accounts for the next fiscal year.